Hi everyone. Hello my Facebook friends, my YouTube friends. This is my meal prep for the week. I am sharing because sharing is caring. I'm about to share with you what I just finished meal prepping. I've been karaokeing and singing in the kitchen today. I should have been done. This kitchen should have been clean, but I've been having fun all by myself. David's at work, so I get to play the music as loud as I want to and jam. So how do I turn this around? So this is what we got today. I got some stuffed pepper soup. It's more like a stew. I kind of, so last weekend, or was it weekend before last, I went to Ship Shawana with Levita and Cynthia, my good friends, and who was the other person went? Shoni, Shoni, Cynthia, and Levita. We went to Ship Shawana. And it's like an Amish town, got a lot of good food and spices. So I bought this stuffed pepper starter soup. So this is like peppers, chicken, and this seasoning mix and diced tomatoes, no carbs. Although the first ingredient here says rice, but I don't see no rice in here. So if it is, it's not much. So that's what we got for the meal prep. David has been asking the last 2 weeks for some neck bones and potatoes. So look, we trying to eat healthy over here, but I ain't about to deprive my man of something he been craving for. So we don't have this a whole lot. Usually I have the vegetables in the larger part and the meat or carbs in the smaller part, but you know neck bones is full of bones, so they got to get in where they fit in. So I got some neck bones, potatoes, and okra for him. Then we have some apples and oranges. These are really good. I ordered these last week from Aldi on Instacart. These are so good. And these are the Honey Crisp apples. They don't have that ucky, filmy thing on top of it. These are really good. And we got, I bought like 8 of these. So the salad kits, I bought these. I did buy some chopped grilled chicken to go with it as well. I left that in the refrigerator. So we talked about seeds. If you saw my Facebook post earlier, these are salted sunflower seeds, but guess what? It's only 120 milligrams of salt in this one. So what I did was I measured it. This is 1/4 cup. So if you measure your stuff and don't overeat, like do handfuls and handfuls of this stuff, you'll be okay. And then this is from our garden. Yeah, so this is just part of the meal prep. I have other things I can cook, but because I've been messing around in this kitchen for so long today, this is all I can come up with. So yeah, neck bones, potatoes, okra, and some stuffed pepper stew soup right here. Then we got the salad. So just prepare all your snacks for the week so you can stay healthy and you don't have to guesswork and make a mistake and fall into a driveway with a hamburger. You all have a good night and a productive week. Ciao.